Hello and welcome to Online Q's, a YouTube channel for your online queries. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your YouTube username. That is the name that appears on your YouTube channel and across Google's account. So first thing you need to do is sign in to your YouTube account. That is your Google account. Click on next to get signed in. Now that you are signed in, click on your profile picture on the right hand corner of your screen. So click on settings on the drop down menu and click on edit on Google. So like I said, it's basically editing your name on all of Google's services. So click on this pencil icon, that is to edit your name. Now that you're okay with it, click on OK, and then this is what will appear. Change your name. So click on this change name. It will take some time to process. So basically I'm going to refresh this so that you can see that I've changed my name. Google has approved it, and this is the name that will appear across my YouTube channel and also my Google Plus profile and all the other Google services that I will use, like Google Drive, Gmail, and so on. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on the channel.